Ooh. There's a fucking ladder right there. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Shit. Zero. 0, 0, 0, 0 it is. There's an old key in here. And then keys to something else. Well, let's go up and see. Oak. Gross. Oak. Look. What kind of padlock is that? Oh my gosh. That's the old one. Okay. Oof. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Maybe this one. Please don't make me pick this lock on the ladder. Oh no. Yeah, we never rekeyed it from the very first time. Awesome. Okay. Well, let me go back down so that I can get what I need here. Oh, arm's getting tired from holding on right here, so I have to take a break in a second. Only other thing I can do is come up here with an angle grinder. I don't want to do that, you know. It's so hot up here. Hold on for dear life. No, 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 don't fall. Don't fall. I meant the listing, not me. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't know about this. I don't know about... I'm not holding on at all. Okay. Yeah, I can't reach that. I can't reach that either. Okay. It's okay, Jess. Focus. Focus. You can do this just by feel. Yeah, I gotta use the other one. That's not gonna work. Okay. Alright. I need a light over here a little bit. As a reminder, this is my current position. Arm's gonna be hurting because of this. It is what it is, right? Let's get some turning pressure. Yeah, nothing. Oof. Okay. Gotta get it click on two. 4. tests that are like a little much for me. This is a young man's game. This is some apprentice level shit right here. Like, hey, dude, go up there and enlist your way to freedom. Picks a lot, picks. Super hard to do. Toes cramping up pretty bad too. Okay, here we go, round two. I feel like if I could switch hands, I could do this, but I can't. Switch hands, that is. I don't think I can. Yeah, I'm on the other side now. Sweating my ass off. I gotta go get the lubricant. Not totally. So this is my current position. I'm just gonna kind of do that. Yeah. So already lubricated it with Houdini. Already raked it for about 5 minutes. While precariously perched here. And now I'm just trying to concentrate to see if we can't get it lished. Otherwise, I'm just going to cut it, which will be kind of hard to get to right here. So I really don't want to cut it. And my leg's shaking down below. Alright. There's a click. Number 4 is being held up. I can't say these come with security pins, but they may very well. Sweat in my eye. Yep, sweat in my eye. It's making it very difficult. Leg's starting to shake a little bit again. This is excruciating.